Alright, here goes a M5000 in a Mountain Dew bottle. Let's see what it does. Okay. Aw. Didn't do anything. Alright, here goes a couple firecrackers in the snow. Let's see what it does. It's gonna be loud. Oh yeah! Nice. Let's see what it did. Alright, for the holiday season, we have a Santa Claus that we will try to blow up using a firecracker. So we're gonna open it up and put it in there. Okay. Alright, now close it. Stand it straight back up. Good enough. Alright. Let's see if this works. Oh, nice! Alright, let's see what's left of it.
Gee,
let me see the head.
A bunch of debris. Oh, Santa Claus lived. Just a few minor injuries.
Alright, well, here's his head. That's the only thing that lived. Alright, here we have a miniature bottle rocket, and we have taped this little purple airplane to it so we could see if it flies. Here we go. Put it right in there. I will light the wick now. Hold on a minute. There we go. This thing has never flown before.
Lift off.
Ooh, and it's landed somewhere over there, but we have no idea where. Alright.